what happened is that the police have filed a criminal summons, and they came to court for the court to issue a criminal summons, right? And with a charge sheet attached to my clients who have never been arrested, they've never been cautioned, they don't know what offense they've committed. Yet the police have come to court with 4 counts of charges against them, stemming from conspiracy to fraud to issuing a false check, right? Which the accused, the suspects are not aware of. But the criminal procedure act, the criminal code Act 30, clearly states in section 60 of 2 ways by which one can bring a suspect or an accused person to court. One is by criminal summons, right, where you have to come by way of an affidavit with the facts and evidence supporting the reason why you want them, to convince the court that the judge should issue that summons for you to serve the suspects in order for them to appear to answer to the complaint that have been received. The other one is where you physically arrest the suspects and then you caution them, and then you take their caution statement, and then you make a decision that, listen, they have, there's a case for them to answer. They've breached the law, or they've committed an offense, and then you bring them to court. But in this case, the police have done 2 things. They've issued a criminal summons as well as a charge sheet. So when we came to court on Tuesday, I draw my lady's attention to the fact that the people they are looking for are suspects. And my lady said, no, I have a charge sheet here, which means that they have been charged. So from there onwards, they are being referred to as as accused persons. And I informed the court that the accused persons their caution statement has not been taken. And in fact, they have not been cautioned. They don't even know why they are in court. And they asked the investigator whether they have been cautioned. And he confirmed to the court that they have not been cautioned. And so I said to my lady that, my lady, this procedure is not proper. And my lady gave us, I asked for 2 weeks adjournment to make the suspect or the accused person in court available to the police for them to conduct their investigation. And she said no, that she will only give 2 days. And unfortunately, they could not. They're out of the city.